In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever found yourself working late into the night, you know how important it is to reduce eye strain, and switching to dark mode can be a real game changer. So let's dive right in and guide you through this simple process. To start off, make sure you have Adobe Acrobat open on your device. Once you're on the home page, your first step is to locate the menu. You'll find this menu option typically at the top of your screen, often symbolized by an icon that might resemble three horizontal lines or a simple word saying menu. Give it a click to open up a range of options that will allow you to customize your Acrobat application. Now that you have the menu open, direct your attention to the View option. By clicking on View, you'll get access to a variety of display settings. From here, you'll want to find and select Display Theme. This submenu is where you can make changes to the overall appearance of your Adobe Acrobat experience. When you click on Display Theme, you'll be presented with different options to choose from. Look for the one that says Dark Gray. This is the key to transitioning your Adobe Acrobat interface into dark mode. Selecting Dark Gray will instantly apply the theme, and you'll notice a transformation as the colors on your screen adjust. The background and other elements will switch to darker shades, thus reducing brightness and making it more comfortable for reading and viewing during those long work sessions. This immediate change helps in decreasing the glare that can be harsh on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. It's that easy. Just a few clicks and you've successfully enabled dark mode in Adobe Acrobat. This not only provides a sleek and modern look, but significantly enhances your reading experience, allowing you to focus better on the content without unnecessary strain. If at any point you decide that you want to revert to the standard light mode, you can simply follow these same steps and choose a lighter theme instead. Remember, customizing your tools to suit your preferences can make a huge difference in productivity and comfort. It's all about creating an environment that is both functional and pleasant, tailored to your specific needs. By switching Adobe Acrobat to dark mode, you've taken a small but impactful step towards enhancing your digital workspace. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to making Adobe Acrobat work better for you. Give it a try and see how it can change your workflow for the better. As always, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.